As we already know, addition is combining one number with another number. Let's discuss another example of addition. In this example, we add 9 hats and 2 hats to get 11 hats. When we combine 9 hats and 2 hats, it returns 11 hats. Now let's see how we do it. It means 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now let's explain how to add 9 hats to 2 hats. From 9 and 2, the greater number is 9, so let's count in ones 2 times from the greater number to get the answer. 10 and 11. So finally, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11.
If you like this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital coursebooks. Visit our website, sfpublishers.net, to discover more.